Assalamu alaikum. Today's tutorial is on how to cut and stitch this beautiful hijab. You can see that it's lovely. Let's get started. So for this tutorial, I'll be making use of chiffon. This soft chiffon. So you need your ruler, tape, scissors. So this 45 inches by 45 inches. So it's usually by 60, so you cut out the excess. So we need 45 inches by 45. So let the length to be 45, the breadth too to be 45 inches. So this is what we need for the hijab. So we want just to be longer than that, can increase it to 50 inches. So you take one edge to the other side. You can see the other edge. Then you put it like this just to form a triangle. So after forming the triangle, you fold it into, so lay it very well. So after that, you fold it into four. Just take one edge to meet the other edge. You can see the way I'm doing. That's it, the way I'm doing it. So after that, lay it. So after that, I'm going to iron to get to the center. You iron this side, so get the center very jammy. You can see the effect of the iron. So I'm going to measure the face circumference divided by 2. So the measurement I'm working with is 21 divided by 2, that's 10.5. So from that 10.5, I will measure an inch, measure 1 inch. So that's where we are going to stitch. Just measure an inch. So we are going to stitch the end. So you can see I've done it, I've stitched it. So I'm going to take it to the right side. I'll turn it to the right side. So you can see how easy it is. To my returning subscriber, I say exactly like Karen. Please don't forget to give me thumbs up, like, share my video. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Tap notification bell so that I can be notified when you upload new video. So this is the outcome. You can see how beautiful the hijab is and very easy to sew. So if you don't have sewing machine, you can also make this. Just use your needle and thread. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Masalam.